Good morning, traders. So we're still using the Bill Williams theory and looking at the Dow Jones. So yesterday's trade was a pretty good one so far. Still in that trade and just adjusted my targets ever so slightly. So my initial target was this inside tail here, okay, which we have tagged already yesterday and had a bit of a pullback. But the start this morning has been pretty interesting. So next target for me right now is the 200 EMA. Okay, so let's just get down through the lower time frames. Oh, hang on, before we do that, this little thing here, this wedge is still concerning me. Okay, I'm expecting some sort of a pullback soon, and it could either be a proper pullback or just to turn this into a channel, but I'm expecting something to happen. May not happen this week, but definitely in the near future, we're going to have some kind of a little sell-off. Okay, so 4 hour, you can see my entry, which was just there on the level there, did get challenged. My stop got challenged pretty closely. We'll look at it on the low time frames, but that's another reason why I had a wider stop than just below the wise man number one. It's really because after hours, or outside of the US market trading hours, the volumes are thin and they tend to manipulate the market or drive it in the opposite direction of what the trend's going. Okay, so it just gives you an opportunity to get back in. So anyway, trend is very strong to the upside. There's no reason to get out of this at the moment. We'll see if we get through the high of yesterday, because that would be a level for me to watch. So if we can get through this high of yesterday, then the 200 EMA is definitely my next target. Right, so looking at the hour, you can see we had the pullback, got the entry, and my initial stop was right over there. It's a little bit below that level. We came down to that level to challenge it, but then we basically got going and climbed to the top. So the entry was correct. It's maybe could have got a little bit lower on this level here, or waited for this gap here, because you can see what basically happened is that inside tail there was what was challenged. Okay. So anyway, the theory was correct. A fall below this line would have given you a change in direction. So the big question now is where to from here. Now you can see I've already locked profit in, just moved that below this tail here. I still believe that this is long, so what I'm looking for is ideally a bit of a pullback, maybe to this area here, and then that will give me another entry to get in long. Okay, so I'm looking for longs and basically looking for us to tag a 200-day EMA. That's pretty much what I'm looking for. Okay, so by the looks of things at the moment, will be adding to the position. So as we pull back, I'll be looking to add. So won't do it during the day, but this afternoon during the US Open, definitely look for that opportunity to add and get going in the right direction again. Okay, so that's pretty much my take on the Dow at the moment. It is long. No reason to get out of this just as of yet. There's a bit of consolidation, a bit of rounding. Could be a pullback to close a gap, but that would give me another entry to get in long. Okay, and if I look at the oscillators at the moment, possibly not even a pullback. Right, so that's me on the Dow for now. Short and sweet. Trend is up. Trade with the trend. And what we're looking for is that 200-day EMA to be tagged. If we can get that, which is pretty much where my take profit is at the moment. If we can get that done, that would be a very, very nice trade. Okay, Anyway, guys, that's it for me today, short and sweet. Whatever you do, just keep your stops close, keep them tight, and enjoy the rest of the day. And I'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.